the Philippines. I'm just Laya Gift Cunyo. Our church name is Agape Integrated Mission Ministries. We have 4 churches, but I am ministering here in Trece, Martires, Cavite. So I received my OCC box when I was 8 years old, when my father is ministering on the children's district. So I'm one of the receivers of that. That's my first time to receive a box from all of you. So my feelings and experiences when I received that is I'm very happy and excited. That's my first time to receive a gift from someone else, except from my family and my relatives. And I remember that's my first time also to receive a Barbie doll. That Barbie doll is a Hawaiian type Barbie doll, and from that day on, it's my favorite toy. I treasured it a lot. I'm playing it every day. I'm playing it until I was in high school. So I remember it a lot because the hair is so good. Even the dresses, they have 4 dresses, and I remember I gave it to my niece, and she was young, and when she was born. And I also learned from discipleship lessons. It opened my mind and my heart from the lessons from Jesus. It opened the doors of my I wanted more. I wanted more to listen about Jesus. I wanted to experience the joy that we have on Jesus. And that experience are the one who pushed me into ministry. I'm a teacher outside of the church. I'm a teacher inside the church. I'm in praise and worship team. I'm a pastor's kid. I'm a pastor's wife. And I'm just an educator. And now, I'm ministering in Christian education head in our Agape Integrated Mission Ministries. I wrote songs and I wrote lessons for our BBS. I wrote lessons for our ministries, and it is very much, I feel very much a lot right now. Today, I know that God sees me. I know God sees my heart, and I know I glorify Him. And last but not the least, I want to thank you all. From the bottom of my heart, I want to cry, but from the bottom of my heart, I'm very thankful for all of you, for all your donations, for all your love, for all your support, for all of your prayers. And may the Lord bless you and guide you and always be in your side. Marami pong salamat.